Today's video, we have a 2019 Ford Fiesta. The backup camera wasn't working, so I went ahead and ordered a new backup camera. This is it right here. I've already installed it, but this is gonna go right here. You're gonna pry off all these little clips. There should be 10 of them all around. And you're gonna want to go ahead and take off these plugs. Should be 2 clips, and you pull them. Boom, take them off. So what I did was I took off the license plate. And you know, I tried looking up videos, didn't see any videos on it. So what I did was I improvised. I took a flathead. I came right here to where the camera is, got under it, pried it off, and there it is. There's a clip right here. You can pull that out. Hold on, I might need 2 hands for this. Boom. This is the clip. Goes right in there. And there it is. Just take this off and change the camera. After, you're gonna wanna plug them back in. Going just like this. Hear the click. Make sure they're on there. Before you put everything back, make sure everything's working. As you can see, the camera is on and working. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe if you want.